In this short video, we're going to watch Cindy with her 13-week-old puppy, Endy. Endy is out of Michael Ellis's breeding. We've had her since she was 8 weeks old. In earlier newsletters, you've seen Cindy working Endy in engagement. For the past 5 weeks, Cindy works to create behaviors and engagement with food. This is all the work that's covered in our DVD, The Power of Training Dogs with Food.
Good girl. Come on.
What Cindy is doing is creating habits of movement. She doesn't expect duration. Here she happens to be working on positions, the stand, the sit,
Yes.
and the down.
Good girl.
She doesn't ask for duration. She doesn't ask for the dog to do behaviors for long periods of time. She's just trying to create habits of movement for the puppy. Now, the fact is, Cindy makes this look easy. It is not easy. People can only get to this level of handling with practice in understanding the principles of the work, the minute principles of the work. Her goal when she brings the puppy out is to keep the puppy totally engaged with her all the time. Notice we don't let the puppy run off and do things. We don't let the puppy run off and check things out. Cindy's goal is to keep this puppy focused on her all the time. We want that puppy to be looking at her and to be wanting what she has, which is in this case food. Later on, it'll transfer into toys. Here the puppy's learning the basic position of heel. But again, really not healing. It's just more muscle memory of walking beside Cindy. And that's covered in the DVD that I did with Michael on healing.
Touch. No, Endy.
Want the taller one?
Yeah, there's one right here, Andrew. Good. Endy.
Okay, what that is.
Thanks. Good girl. Touch. Touch. Come on. Good. Good girl. Good. Endy, touch. Yes. Come on. Touch. Yes. Touch. Come on. Touch. Yes. Good girl. Good girl. Good.
Touch pads will be used later when we train our dogs to jump and in the send away.
Yes. Good.
The work you're seeing Cindy do here will be later used
Good.
when the dog is trained to do an object guard.
Good girl. All right. Wait. Yes. Endy. Come on. Yes. Yes. Nice job. Can somebody hold her? Ready? Are you ready? Ready? Yeah. Code.
Where'd she go? Where'd she go?
Yeah.
That a girl.
Like,
Shocker. puppy.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Nice job. Look at
Nice.
you. Look at you. Good girlie.
We'll let her come all the way down for this.
That's a little too much. That's the first time I've ever.
That's no, I
Yes.
was gonna say actually.
Good.
I was gonna say let her
Good
actually come all the way down.
Good girl. Good girl. Andy, Andy. Come on. Ah. Good girl. Come on up, Andy. Good puppy. Good girl. Okay, I'm gonna take her through all the people.
When we take our
We'll never
puppies
have-
around other people, we don't want people to talk to them. We don't want people to touch them. We don't want people to look at them. This is the way it should look when you take your puppy around other people.
Yes. Good. Andy.
I see agility in this dog's future.
When Endy turns and comes to Cindy, she marks the dog for coming. If you're new to our website or to our training, we train with markers.
Andy.
You can go and read the ebook, the free ebook that we have on our website, titled "The Power of Training Dog with
All right.
Markers."
Good job. Good job.
As I said, the work
Well done.
that you saw Cindy do in this little 7-minute video is covered in the DVD that I did with Michael Ellis, titled "The Power of Training Dogs with Food." Cindy will be shortly moving on to "The Power of Playing Tug with Your Dog," which is another DVD. Michael Ellis's training program is the best that I've ever seen. As Endy grows up, I will continue to add more and more of these little training videos so you can see how this program builds upon itself.